And it's been a journey of transformation, of deep healing, of extreme self-love, and a lot of awakening and expansion. I've quit my job. I'm selling my business when I get home, and I'm up-leveling my relationship. I just can't go back to my normal life. It's just not happening. And it's all good and it's all perfect. I've always considered myself to be a fairly earthy and conscious, heart-centered being, but this training has just up-leveled that through the roof. In fact, I've made contact with ascended masters and my guides and my healers and angels that have always been there, but I haven't really connected with before, so it's been such an honor and a blessing. But my greatest self-discovery, the biggest download I had, is that I realize now that I actually am a way shower on this earth. That a way shower is someone who shows others the way, illuminates the path. So that is my dharma and my mission, and there's no going back from that now. So my wish for you today is to experience all these amazing facilitators who will take you through these journeys, and that you connect to a deeper sense of self-love, a better understanding of who you are and what your divine mission is on this earth.